Students, greetings of the day. This is your Eknath Rao, faculty in physics from VIP classes. Today we'll talk about a question based on electrostatics concept of net force. Okay. Now see here we are having three charges, minus q, plus q and minus q. Another charge is placed at center plus q. So we have to find out the net force on this charge. So now so this is center O, this is A, this is B, this is C. So the force will be along line joining. So the force because of charge at A minus Q on this charge at O will be like this, along line joining. And the charge at B will also attract like this, isn't it? And the charge at C will repel this charge at B along this particular angular bisector, right? So this is what you can say. Now you can call this one as F1, you can call this one as F2, you can call this one as F3. Fine. So you have to find out the net force. You're following? Now you see here, now the distance total, this centroid will divide this vertex to line joining, so 2:1 ratio. This will be some median 2:1. So total height of equilateral triangle we know √3/2 of side length, say AB the side length. Then this distance of OA, OB, OC all will be equal. How much? 2:1 ratio, right? That will become how much? 2/3 of √3/2A. So this will be how much, students? A/√3. Okay. Now the value of the force, you can see charges same and distance same. So forces will be same. So F1, F2, F3 magnitudes are same, which are given by how much? 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. So you can say K Q1 Q2 Q square by R square. R square is A/√3 whole square. So how much you will get? This becomes 3KQ square by A square. Now you see the vector diagram how it works. Now this is charge at O. This is because of force because of charge at A. This is force because of charge at B. Now you can construct a parallelogram here, isn't it? So resultant of these two will bisect. So this angle how much here? This angle is here 120, isn't it? So resultant will bisect at angle of how much? 60 degrees, isn't it? So now this is also say F, this is also say F. So resultant how much? When two vectors are of equal magnitude, resultant formula is what? R is equal to 2F cos theta by 2. So resultant force will be 2 into any one force is here F. Cos 120 by 2. How much? Cos 60. Cos 120 by 2. Which is equal to 2F into cos 60 is 1/2. So this becomes F. So resultant force, this will be here F now. Okay. Now if I consider the force because of here charge at C, that is also in the same direction here. So now you can say resultant of charge at C also in the same direction, that value also F. So net force on the charge at center will be, magnitude will be, this is also F plus this is also F. This will be how much? Which is equal to 2F. So where F value how much? F value is 3KQ square by A square, which is equal to 3KQ square by A square. So this becomes how much? Which will be equal to, you can simplify this one as 6Q square by A square into K is 1/4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, you can simplify, you can keep that much only. So we will get here how much? 3Q square by, this is 2 3s are, this is 2 2s are, no. So 2 pi epsilon naught A square. Okay, so this question is based on how the net force acts on any one particular charge, okay, and using the concept of here vectors. Okay, so like this we'll come with few more numericals in front of you. Okay, please stay tuned, okay, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all, students.